United Mexican States, 2015. The capital of Mexico City is Distrito Federal. The population is currently over 119 million. The form of government, Federal Republic. Head of government, Enrique Peña Nieto. The next presidential election, 2018. Currency, Mexican peso. The GDP, 1282.73 USD billion. The GDP per capita, 10,715 USD. The inflation rate is at 4%. Some strengths of Mexico include pro-business, moderate debt ratios, established business environment, new IMF credit line running until January 2017. Now, on the other hand, some of Mexico's weaknesses are corruption below average, high crime rate, skewed income distribution, sensitive to the U.S. business cycle. When it comes to political overview, political opportunities are a part of North American Free Trade Agreement, reduction of trade barriers favors trade conditions. On the other hand, political threats, business environment is insecure, unstable, and corrupt. As this graph shows, short-term political risk, political stability has increased in the last couple of years. When compared to the countries such as the US, Canada, Germany, and the UK, Mexico has a higher political risk. With a score of 35, Mexico ranks 103 out of 175 in the corruption percent index, with the country being in political unrest due to corruption. Foreign companies are discouraged from doing businesses in Mexico. In this map, the rule of law around the world rank. Mexico has a score of 0.47 as far as rule of law and is ranked 79 out of 102. Looking at this chart, economic freedom. When comparing economic freedom of Mexico to the world average, it scores higher, but sits below regional average. In this map, in terms of financial freedom, Mexico sits higher than the world average, but lower when compared to Germany. On the other hand, label freedom in Mexico is consistent with the world average and with Germany. Export destination. 70% of all exports go to the United States. As imports, Mexico's top 5 imports include US 47%, China 17%, Japan 4.9%, Germany 4.2%, and South Korea 3.9%. The top 5 products exported: crude petroleum as a 13%, cars 8%, computers 5.4%, video displays 5.4%, delivery trucks 5%. The top 5 products imported: broadcasting accessories at 3.4%, computers 3.3%, telephones 2.8%, video displays 5.4%, and delivery trucks at 5%. Now that we're on the topic of social, power distance has a score of 81. Therefore, it is considered a hierarchical society. This means that people accept a hierarchical order in which everybody has a place in which needs no further justification. Hierarchy is an organization is seen as reflecting inherent inequalities. Centralization is popular. Subordinates accept to be told what to do, and the ideal boss is a benevolent autocrat. Following individualism, Mexico has a score of 30, and it is considered as a collectivistic society which revolves around family and extended relationships. Technological. As you can see in the chart, UK, Mexico, and USA dropped decreasingly in 2009. On the other hand, China has a massive increase since 2003 and decreases just by a few in 2013, but stays ahead as the decade goes by. When looking at this scale, there is 25 different countries. Mexico is ranked 12 in foreign direct investment as of 2014. Last but not least, when it comes to legal between Mexico and the United States, there are three main differences between their both legal system. Mexico is more civil law country as opposed to common law country to the United States. Mexico's origins based on Greek, Roman, and French legal system, as opposed to the United States based on case and statutory law of England and America colonies prior to the American Revolution. Last one for Mexico, guilty until proven innocent, as opposed to United States, innocent until proven guilty. In this graph for environmental, compared to the US, Mexico has much less carbon dioxide emissions than the United States, as shown on the graph. Mexico has 7 main climate regions: tropical wet and dry, semi-arid, arid desert, temperate with dry winters, humid subtropical, and Mediterranean.